Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how I made these two gorgeous hurricane lanterns that you could use with either candles or you can put flowers in them. I made them with some items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree and from Amazon. They came out absolutely gorgeous. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe and click that notification bell. That way you'll know every time I upload a new video. And if you've been here before, welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll have a complete list of everything I used in the description section below. And yeah, so if you are interested in how I created this, just keep watching. So right now I'm going to start with these items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, 2 hurricane vases, as well as 2 candlestick holders. So I'm just going to start by just removing any of the excess labeling, and I've already cleaned and dried both hurricane glasses and the candlestick holders. So right here I have some diamond wrap, and before I use that I'm going to show you how I remove the black lines that are behind the diamond wrap. So yeah, and I've done this many times in my video, so I like to do it every time I use it. So here I'm going to use a silver Sharpie marker, and what I'm going to do is just run that marker across the black line. So if you're using this diamond wrap or any wrap, you can definitely remove the black lines, especially if you're working with glass. You can remove that black line by using a silver Sharpie marker. So right now I've cut the diamond wrap down into 3 rows. With my tweezers, I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue and apply it to the neck of the candle holder. So here I have a strip of the flower diamond wrap, and I'm just going to cut those into pieces, single pieces. So right here, guys, I'm going to show you how I separate the center portion from the outer portion of the flower wrap. I'm going to be using my thread cutters. I'm just going to flip over that single piece, and now I'm going to cut the threads that's holding both pieces together. I'm going to be doing this to quite a few of those little flower diamonds. I'm going to be using the outer portion in my project today. So I'm going to put that aside and use that later. So now I'm going to take a 3-row strip of the diamond wrap, and I'm going to apply it to the slimmer part or the neck portion of the hurricane lamp. So here I'm going to be using the place where I sealed off my diamond wrap as my starting point. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little bit of hot glue on the outer edge there. What I'm doing here is creating the decoration for the front of the vase. So now, using the silicone mat that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, I picked it up last year, I'm going to use that to stabilize the vase so it doesn't move while I apply the outer portion of that diamond wrap that we just cut away. I'm going to use that as extra decoration in the front. So here guys, I have a little bit of lost footage. I've already started adding these circle pieces to the candlestick holder. So what I'm going to do is just finish up. There's already one that's been added to the front, and so now I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the rest. Simply using a little hot glue, I'm going to put one of those diamond circles in each section to the base of that candlestick holder. So now I'm going to use a little E6000 and some hot glue, and I'm going to adhere the tapered candlestick holder to the hurricane vase. So right now I'm making sure everything is aligned. I'm trying to align the front decoration of the vase to the front decoration of the candlestick holder. After that, I'm going to set it aside and let it adhere for 24 hours. The fillers I'm going to be using today in the vase are acrylic silver fillers that I picked up from Amazon. These are really nice, guys, and they make great fillers. As you can see, this is the final project. Came out absolutely gorgeous. This is what it looks like as it starts to get dark in the room. Absolutely beautiful. The candles that I'm using are from Luminara. I picked those up from QVC, and I absolutely love those. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I want to thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.